because of the wind. Hang on, let me drop down. Currently, the GoPro is on charge. We've just scaled up this here. I did see some sort of security coming in. I'm waiting for Thingy to come up through here. But hopefully I should be switched back to the GoPro when it's charged. But for now, waiting for him. I don't know. Well, the GoPro's still charging. I don't know how long. I'm just talking to camera. Don't know how long it will take. Look at that. That cannot be safe. He's shooting at. Fucking hell. So where the fuck is the ladder to get up there? Don't know. Probably the ambulance. There it is. Yeah, ambulance. Yeah, I know.
Where's your baby?
That way somewhere. There. It looks tiny compared to it. You can barely see it. Yeah. Fuck knows much. Oh, my knee. No. Yep. Pretty. That. Fuck you know. Oh. Going inside. Tom, have you got your torch? I'll be right. Sending it?
Green.
I mean, if you want to shove something in it to keep it open. That's true. Here, give me some more. I just need some of it. Right, hang on. Yeah. Right, so we just on top of the roof. Security came, and now they're slowly following us. Yeah, watch in the reflection, watch in the reflection. He's following us in the reflection. Yeah? He's there. Still following us. Fucking hell. I'm switching to the GoPro because I've got that on charge now. Right. Oh yeah, done. Yep. Because that could be feds. That could be feds. Or do you want to go right and chip up?
Stop.
No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. Look to the right. Let's go Dom and Dom. We need to go down main. Why is he following us all the way? Oh, Dom. Dom, come here. Dom. Huh? He's gone up. No, he hasn't.
Well, he started to walk up. He went up. Right, let's go then. What's he so asked for?
Innit? We ain't done. Oh, he's just stand there. Just stand there.
Why?
I mean, to be fair, I don't. It depends, because if he's waiting for feds, but I doubt it. But
I doubt it.
don't know.
I'm not fucking private landlord.
No.
He's hiding. Oh no, I don't know where he's gone.
He should
He's
hide.
trying to hide.
Isn't it? What do you reckon he's actually doing?
He's fucking hiding.
Right. I'm going to cut the camera, but unless anything else happens.
Should we stand there? Smack away.
Right, we're sending this. Should we just send it to the right? Tom. Lift upstairs. Stay stairs. I think it's that building we tried before. It's that building we tried before and that bloke kicked us out. Which one? That one where we just back there, literally. Right, we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Not many, it only goes to 9. Huh? Where are you?
8.
Alright. So many stairs. Because look, if only we could reach up there. Crack the smoke vent. I did. Yeah.
And it just pops it open. And that looks like it pops open. Feel safe, silly. I'm not doing that.
Oh,
Oh my god. You can actually go up there as well. That's fine. That's the Jack Daniels out there.
it's a key.
It's reflective.
Yep.
No way of going through there, is it?
Maybe.
Doubt it.
Should I try?
Over the top
You wanna pull one? Yeah, mate.
You're not doing that.
I mean, I'm
Give me my hand.
Wait, to be fair, that's not that bad. Hang on, hold it, Willa. Right, dash me my bag and then I'll hold it for you. Right, dash me my bag and then I'll hold it for you. Why? If I can do it.
Yeah, but you're skinnier than me.
You're smaller than me. Oh, just come. It's not that hard.
And what we're going to do, how big we went?
Same way.
Huh?
Same way.
Fucking hell.
You should have squeezed through.
That's shit.
You can.
Let me take my jumper and coat off. You go explore it.
I'll just hold it. Do you want to dash me?
We won't be long.
I don't know. I don't know, we'll see.
I've got spunk on this shit.
Just slip.
Be careful, I've got money in that coat. There's no way.
It is, just pull. Yes, don't know, pull yourself up and then if need be use the camera to your left or
Fucking
the
hell.
other light.
This is horrible. What are you doing?
Untucking you. Just and then just try and get a leg
I
over.
can't get my fucking
You,
legs over.
you gotta get one leg, turn, try and turn.
Alright, right.
Oh, you gotta get one leg through here and then.
Can't get over. You just go over.
Just come.
You just go over. I can't.
Yes, you can. No, come. It's because you have to get one leg through here.
Through there.
So, like, get up
How are you going to get back up?
and then, yeah.
Sorry.
And then pull. Same, and then.
I need to put my hand foot down. I've got too much shit in my fucking trousers.
And just squeeze your thingy through.
Right.
Get higher, turn. Yeah, yeah. Like that.
I just dropped it. What if they close on this?
Well, they open back up. They're automatic, aren't they? It says on it, automatic door. Is there any balls? There's a thing here. Look at that jumper. Jumper. In it, all the students. I want to go up there. I don't know. It's a thousand.
I don't think I'll be able to.
If you use this,
Yeah. You go that side.
I want to use it.
Fucking hell, look at this wobbly. Holy shit! Oh, it's the legs in this one.
Yeah, you got one foot on it. That's wet. That will do. You might try that. It's easy. Easy? I don't know, they're just connected. So I feel like if we can get on this one, we can get on that one.
How the fuck are we gonna do this?
Don't know. I mean, I feel like it'll be easier because it's. I don't know how wonky you are.
I don't know, but this is gonna be fucking interesting.
Yeah. Do you want to go first or?
Yeah, so, because
Well, it's just going to be the same sort of. But I feel like it'd be easier because you're sliding in.
it'll be hard now.
Is that someone on the camera?
Doubt it. I'm sliding on. Right, what am I doing first?
Probably leg. Yeah.
On what?
Other leg. However. Just lift you, push yourself up,
Yeah.
and then slide your leg through.
Fucking hell. Right, fuck this up, Anna. Right, we'll go this way. Fucking hell. Oh my god.
Frogman.
Huh?
I don't know, that sign there says Frogman. Right, you got it now.
There. Fucking hell.
You just gotta sort of push yourself up so you can get your thigh. Yeah, like that. Yep, yep, yep.
Oh my god, my balls are slapping on the fucking rings.
It's the shit in your. It's the shit in your
My
pocket.
balls. My balls. My balls. Fucking hell. My balls. Rest in peace, Bertie and Barry.
What the fuck's my bag?
Fun for you, innit?
Let me get my bag. Hang on. Pretty sure, yeah. Take my bag. Yeah, sure, just hold this. Ow.
Your balls are gonna get stuck.
Ow.
Your arse gets stuck.
Hey, camera.
Huh?
I'm just saying hi to the camera. Oh, fuck. What am I?
You're on.
Ah, fuck.
See what I mean?
I'm good. Just hold it so my fingers don't get trapped. Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Closed due to weather conditions. Please not try to pull the doors. Well, we pushed them. We didn't pull them. Why is that not shutting?
Didn't shut
Oh yeah? I want to try and get, because the Cosmos building is.
Oh, lift. We're not walking down this part of the stairs.
No.
It's fucking hell. I just want to do this. As you know, you're such a kind little boy.
I just want to wait for the.
What are you waiting for?
Did I put my hard hat back in my bag?
Yeah. Where you going?
I don't know. Don't go down to the bottom. To be fair.
Fuck you.
I want to go that way because the Cosmos building is there.
Where's the seat? Oh, it's down here.
Don't know. Let's have a bash.
You've got, yeah, you can't go in there.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's alright. You wouldn't be able to go out there, but they closed it off.
Yeah, we've been out
It
there.
was snowing, but they closed it off there. They closed it.
We've just been out there.
Mostly we say like the things.
Okay,
Mostly
okay.
we
Is
say
it okay?
Ground.
Yeah, I reckon.
There's a fucking fan in here.
Corridor's blocked off as well at the moment, floor 0,
Alright.
because it's flooded.
Flooded.
How many times every week? Times days a week. Anyone?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, Rick. It depends. At least I try going a week. Once a week. At least. How many hours?
Which way did we go? Where did we come from? Ah, yeah, it was this way. Just wait.
Where's this flooded?
But, I mean, to be fair, there was loads of water coming out, wasn't there? What was that sort of bit? Why was there like...
I can't believe we got to that random guy's apartment.
Was that his apartment?
Yeah.
There was more doors to the...
Yeah, that was his place.
Shit, I didn't fucking realise.
I was like, oh, this looks nice. It's fucking apple coconut juice.
Turn the beeps off because I didn't want anyone to hear it. Right.
Oh,
So,
that's funny, yeah.
why is it doing... Look, it's doing my flicker. Anyway,
It's because it's LED lights.
we're going up to floor 16 on the building, that white one, because we were over there, pretty sure. So it should be this white building from across. We accidentally tried to walk into that bloke's apartment.
16th floor. Doors opening.
Is this? Yeah. Right, so this is the Cosmos building.
Yes. So fucking nice. It smells really nice. Should I get some more food?
Do the stairs not go to 16 then?
Shit, I pressed.
You didn't press it. I don't know where that is, mate.
It's there, isn't it? It's there. Is this already there? Oh, we were there.
Yeah, we were there.
We're at the top.
This is the top floor. Come, let's have a bash.
So everyone saw me struggling at it, so.
Don't know if they were watching out the window. Or is this the...
Motion sensors.
I don't know.
This is really close for my head. It smells so nice. It's making me.
Oh, stairs. Here.
Really annoying.
Ah. Here's the smoke vent. Here's the smoke vent.
No way in the hell we're getting that.
Maybe. Hang on, let me see.
So you use both of this one. This door doesn't stay open. If it stayed open, you could jump up there, jump up
I
there.
know, but wait, shift. Let me try something. Shut the door. Is that? I don't know where that's going. That's not. I was gonna use that.
Is it what? Fuck it now. It's not working, not, is it?
Now we just need to know if smoke vents set off alarms. Right, Google that quickly.
Do you want to leave the lift open?
Did someone come out of it? I'm trying to see if it says anything about. Fucking hell.
Yeah, or manually bypassing sounding the alarm.
So what do they?
They can be directly connected to a fire alarm system.
I don't know what this says. I'm trying to read what this says. Current limiter and overload unit store. What do you reckon this is?
That's to open it.
Is that?
Now we to open it.
Should we just try? It doesn't look like there's an alarm.
What if the alarm? Yeah, but it might just. What if the alarm goes off?
Then we just send it out.
Well, I'm not going up there. If it opens, I'm not getting up there.
Alright, just try. May as well.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, because it's got a red light here.
So you just pray.
What if the alarm goes off?
Then I'll jump down and we'll dip.
Yeah.
Is it all throughout or just there?
I don't know. It might just be on whilst it's open.
Come.
Just wait.
Wait, Tom. Should we go up and press it again? Just back to normal. This one. Right, so it's stopped.
It's closing.
Ah. So what, it beeps when it's been.
Beeps when it's opening.
And then what do you reckon this is? Do you reckon this is a fire door? So do you reckon I can open this? Like that?
Where am I? Dad asked me.
What can you say?
What's like in here?
Just gonna send it. I can get my fucking GoPro head strap to work. Ah, there we go. There we go. It's going up.
Alright, go get yourself into the actual position so I can just whack it on. You can disappear.
Can you help me again?
in final position.
Go. Wait. Because, oh, it is town, isn't it? It's just an ambulance. I wonder if they know. If they have any idea. Because that's when that starts to shut, that's when the alarm stops. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell, it's a big drop, I'll tell you that. And then if this is this tall, how tall's that shit? This car alarm. I need to save my battery. It's not even shut yet. It's still going off. Right, I'm just gonna cut the GoPro and then just so I can save the battery because the battery's running low. And I'll charge it and then I'll get some more clips later. Alright, I just switched back to my phone. Oh, fucking hell, I'm gonna have to stop recording, but GoPro's dead, so. Right, so we're currently just, I'm on my own, currently just chipping home, because we're on the roof, and then as I was coming down, I don't know how my eye looks now, but as I was coming down, I swept loads of dust into my eye. I've been sat there for ages trying to get it out. I've been like rubbing it shit, it hasn't made it better. Finally just got it out on the bus. But as we were leaving that building, because we went out down the lift, as we were leaving we were walking out and this bloke, some of the workers were walking and he was like, we didn't fully hear it, but we heard, however they got up there, it's locked shut. So I presume that was for us, because the door which they would think to get up is locked shut. Or maybe it was the roof before where we squeezed through that door, because that was locked. But I don't think that's their property, so I don't know why they would be like managing that. But unless they bought it. But yeah, so I don't know, maybe someone's seen us on the top, or maybe they have cameras, but I didn't see any cameras in the roof. Don't know why they would have them, because they're not expecting people to go up there. But yeah, I guess they didn't expect someone to go out of that fire hatch. Surprised no one heard anything, because it was echoing through that stairwell. But that's it for this video. Smash that subscribe button and the like button, guys. Probably gonna be a new video out tomorrow. Us, tallest building in Sheffield, maybe. Or we're at least gonna have an attempt. So if no video comes out, then we haven't done it. But if it does, then obviously we have. But yeah, smash that subscribe button.